Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to get verified on Mack app on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So to get verified or on the gray check badge next to your artist name, you just need to follow the few steps to do so. So step to get verified on Mack artist authentication is, the first one is create an Mack artist account. By that you can just sign up at audiomack.com or via the app, whichever feels easy to do so. Now upload your original music, at least 2 tracks. You just need to upload your own original music. It does not include covers or mix songs of other artists. So you just need your own 2 songs to get verified. So now you just need to meet few requirements like upload at least 2 original tracks, no remix or covers, have a profile photo and a proper bio. You just need your high quality profile photo as an artist and a proper bio. Gain at least 25 followers in Mack app. You don't need many numbers of followers. You can just have 21 followers and get verified too. And now after meeting all these requirements, you can apply for the authentication. Like go to the creator dashboard and click on the option apply for authentication. Fill out the short application form and submit it to the Mack app. After doing all of this, wait for the review. It usually takes about 5 to 7 business days for Mack to process your request, and if it is approved, your account will be displayed a gray check mark. It means you will get verified if it gets approved within 5 to 7 business days. And now tips to improve your chance, like promote your profile and gain followers before applying. Use a professional profile picture. Add links to Instagram, Twitter or YouTube in your profile. Make sure your uploads have good audio quality and proper tags. So that's how you can do it. Let me know if you need more help about this in our comment section below. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.